Hello everyone. Welcome. Are you encountering the BVLinearGradient not found error in your React Native Expo project? Don't worry, it's a common issue. Today, we'll walk through the steps to fix it quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, we'll explain what causes this error. Then, we'll look at installation and linking solutions. Lastly, we will explore other possible solutions to the issue. The BVLinearGradient not found error typically arises when the React Native Linear Gradient library isn't correctly linked in your project. React Native requires linking native modules for certain functionalities. This includes gradient rendering. When the linking fails, the app can't find the necessary native code. So, it throws this error. Now, let's begin with the fix. Firstly, make sure you have the library installed. Use the correct command based on your package manager. For npm, run npm install React Native Linear Gradient. If you are using Yarn, execute yarn add React Native Linear Gradient. After installation, the next step is crucial, linking. In older React Native versions, before autolinking, you needed to manually link the library. However, with autolinking in newer versions, this is often handled automatically. If autolinking fails, you might need to manually link the library. For Expo projects, you usually don't need to manually link. Expo handles most of the native dependencies for you. Instead, rebuild your Expo project after installing the package. Stop the Expo server by pressing Ctrl+C in your terminal. Then, run Expo start C. The C flag clears the cache, ensuring a fresh build. This often resolves linking issues. If the error persists, check your app.json or appconfig.js file. Ensure that the React Native Linear Gradient library is correctly included in the plugins array. Add the entry if it's missing. Sometimes, the version of React Native Linear Gradient might not be compatible with your React Native or Expo version. Check the library's documentation for compatibility information. If necessary, try installing a different version of the library. For instance, try installing an older version that is known to be stable with your React Native version. Use npm or yarn to specify the version during installation. Another potential issue is a conflicting dependency. This rarely happens. However, it's worth checking your package.json file for conflicting packages. Try removing the conflicting package and reinstalling your dependencies. Finally, if all else fails, try clearing your npm or yarn cache and reinstalling all your dependencies. Use npm cache clean force or yarn cache clean followed by npm install or yarn install. This ensures that you have a clean slate of dependencies. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the BVLinearGradient not found error in your React Native Expo project. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing for more helpful React Native tips and tricks. Your support helps me create more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.